Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we will be going through some of the top 5 best CBUAE Forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's get into it. Firstly, the CBUAE, or the Central Bank of the United Arab Emirates, governs all 7 emirates that make up the UAE. The central bank is responsible for regulating any business involved in the sale and purchase of domestic and foreign stocks, bonds, currencies, commodities, and is the final authority relating to governing and supervising financial firms operating within the country. In this list, we will be going through some of the top 5 best CBUAE Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Think Markets. Think Markets is a globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, indices, precious metals, shares, CFDs, and commodities. Their accounts feature standard, Think Zero, Islamic, and joint accounts with tighter spreads, lower minimum account opening balance, 24-hour 5 days a week live support, access to their free virtual private servers, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own Think Trader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Think Markets also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading guides, a variety of written articles, market news and analysis panels, as well as their very own economic calendar for you to browse through as you please. Coming in at number 4 on our list is FXCM. FXCM is a fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, offering competitive spreads on a variety of currency pairs and CFD instruments. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, NinjaTrader, ZuluTrade, as well as the FXCM's Trader Station, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXCM's accounts are available on Standard, Mini, Active Trader, and Islamic accounts with competitive spreads, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, up to 39 tradable currency pairs on active or standard accounts, and more. FXCM also provides their very own educational center, which delves into Forex training courses, an educational video library, a Forex beginner's guide section, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have Plus 500. Plus 500 is a globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options, and ETFs. Featured platforms for accounts are available on Plus 500's trading platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Plus 500 features a demo account and one live trading account, which was specifically designed to provide a variety of services to suit the needs of various levels of trading, for beginners and professionals alike, as well as Islamic accounts, and is regulated by the ASIC in Australia and the FMA in New Zealand. Plus 500 also provides their very own educational panel, which delves into multiple beginner trading topics, an economic calendar, a variety of risk management tools, as well as a trader's guide, which covers popular trading strategies if you are looking for any additional education. Coming in at number 2, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero and Pro accounts with low minimum deposits, lower spreads, an unlimited number of positions, and a variety of tradable market instruments, and offers swap-free Islamic accounts. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to browse through as you please. And coming in at number 1 on our list of the top 5 best CBUAE Forex brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, crypto, and Islamic accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's Web Trader, and for all your mobile trading activities, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the Best Customer Support, the Best Alert System, the Best Educational Broker, the Best Forex Broker of the Year, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online, fully regulated financial broker. And those are the top 5 best CBUAE Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.